subama tongkhe kai tor bonono subana buino hamjak ma tongkhe kai tor bonono hamjak na buino khairok ma tongkhe kai tor bonono khairok na.
At the outset, I, on behalf of the Rikha Engineer Society, convey my heartiest thanks and welcome to the Principal, Reverend Brother M.K. Devasai of Montfort High Secondary School, for giving us the permission to conduct Introduct Awareness campaign. And today, in this Introduct Awareness program, we have with us Dr. Borokno, expert speaker for Introduct Awareness campaign, and D. Chakma, representative of Chambangar Outpost and OC, our President, Rikha Engineer Society, and my dear students, our secretary, they have some explained about our activities. I just want to 3-4 lines what we have taken. Actually, we are the non-political organization, Rikha Engineer Society. We have formed in the year 2001, and since the inception of this Rikha Engineer Society, we have undertaken so many welfare activities. Say, free health camp come awareness program in interior places of our state. Besides, one model place we have conducted Kolom Para. This is only 5 kilometers away from this school. There is a tribe of Kolom, which is diminishing tribes. Therefore, we have taken this initiative to set up one model place, and this project is already completed. And we are also dealing with various kind of social activities, like during COVID-19, we have distributed 10,000 relief materials in various corners of our state with the help of ONGC CSR activities. Besides, we also dealing with educational sponsorship. Meritorious students belong to economically weaker section of the society. So today's topic is the anti-drug awareness program, and there is no doubt that this drug addiction is.
Purpose of our polytechnic is there, not district polytechnic or our private life. What we have done, he is being ranked in Government town, and he is using heroin drugs. This must be small containers. There is some powders. One container is to sell 150 or 200 rupees. If 5 containers you sell, you will be rich in 1 day. It's 1,000. So actually, he is a consumer, not a seller. But till now, when we detain any guy, when there is a loss of drugs containers, we used to book him in NDPS case. NDPS means narcotic drugs, psychotropic substances. It's 1958. So in this case, we have booked him. After booking him in this case was registered against him. And I have seen that while he was in police remand, he didn't get more drugs when he is in the lockup. When he didn't get drugs to consume, what he have, how his suffering was that he will be shocked when he is being a police. who sometimes used to scare of them. Because they will hit their head on the wall when they wicked. Their bodies will be ache totally. They will sweat. Automatically we used to tell those doctors. Because there's some tablet they will give just for suffering, to use the suffering. So my dear son, don't